I'm gonna be shooting my haircut video. Okay, so I'm going to be more awkward than usual. Are you going to leave?
Yeah.
Your hair?
Yeah.
Alright. I've been here for around 7 years. I started because I went to the hairdresser and I want a particular type of hairstyle, and he kind of fucked it up. So I was like, oh, I watch some tutorials and do it. Initially it was like really bad. Like the first 3 years, I won't say it was really good, but now I'm kind of like happy with wherever I am, whatever is happening. Anyway, I think I'm going to have another introduction. I have no idea. So, I'll tell the basic thing that I do. Okay, first up, I have 2 very interesting scissors. This one's apparently a thinning scissor, and this one is a proper, whatever. I'm so awkward with you right now, Sajman. But the first thing that I do is like from my ear behind, make a V sort of a thing. So then I just clip it up. I won't have this section actually longer. So this part actually I'm just going to cut. I'm not going to do anything fancy. There's no layering, nothing, and then the rest of the part I'm going to really fuck with real bad. So I'm planning to actually snip off a little bit. So I'll snip off like that much, and I eyeball it most of the time. So I snipped it off. Now the basic thing is that, let's say, like, this is actually genuine advice. So if you want your hair to have deeper steps, smaller steps, you cut it like that. If you want it to have deeper steps, then the higher you're going to pull, the more of an arc it's going to make, and you'll have deeper cuts. I hope that was. Another thing that I do is, okay, you could also do one thing. This is actually very common. You just take it over here and then you go snip, snip, snip. So yeah, that's pretty average. This is what I usually work with. I'll be like happy with it. Is it equal? Yeah, fine. I think it's equal. So like the back part, actually I'll tell you why I don't even put steps in the back part. So if if you look at it, it looks nice and it looks clean. If there are too many steps, your hair looks like a frizz ball. And usually like the front part of my face looks like a frizz ball. The rest of me I don't actually like. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this behind. Now this is the part where I actually divide my hair, and then after that I go crazy with it. This is like what I'll call my crown section. So I'm actually going to first keep my crown up.
Everyone calls it a crown section. You're not intelligent. Continue.
You don't have to be mean to me, okay? I'll take my fingers from my ear up to actually meet in the center, so it kind of makes a semicircle sort of thing, and then I cut the hair that I left behind. This part is like the part that frames my face the most. I'm processing so much. It's like I have no idea what to say.
That's a little Sardar right there.
You're a very mean person right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually cut this part. Now, I don't understand. Like, I always find this part of my hair thicker than this side. Like, I don't know what's the deal. Like, even if I try to measure it out each time, this is always thicker. Like, why?
Because you're a Sardar.
You're just trying to be mean. So now what I'm going to do over here, if you can appreciate, I'll be actually taking it up to get a higher cut, a higher frame. Now there is relatively more movement. Now I'm going to keep them behind. Alright. Same thing over here, pulling it, cutting it. It's pretty much the same process. It's just actually how much you want to divide it. For the for the middle section, I actually wanted a deeper cut. For this side, I just wanted to be relatively smaller. And also, if you ever end up getting these scissors, I would suggest not to get your fingers too close, but I have snipped into my skin. I know I'm very small. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the back part out again, and then I'm going to joining them in a way, because right now this is too small, that is too long. Both of them need to actually seem like, one family. Okay, I have this thing, like this part usually comes in front, and I actually want this to be shorter. So then what I do is like extra crazy. I'll try and get this entire semicircle in front, and then I'll be cutting this short. I know it makes no sense, no one's gonna do it, but I just think it looks better. Taking this top part, and I'm actually going to be thinning the shit out of it, so it's really fluffy. So I'll go from my eyebrows straight over here, and then I'll grab some, and then after that I'll be thinning it. So take the thinning scissors and I will be down with it, because why not. Okay, I'm kinda happy with this. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'll be cutting the front section and then my bangs. I'll make another semicircle. What is this then?
This is semicircle, and I'm just practicing it day in and day out.
So I'll actually let this be for now. I'll just keep this on top. And I'll take these and I'll cut it right next to my Chinese chin. Now this apparently is going to be divided into 3 halves if possible, and the bottommost half is kind of like longer, then the topmost half is kind of thinner and shorter, and then after that, you know, whatever. Kind of done. Yeah. Ta-da! Okie dokie. So that is about it. I have nothing else to do. I would say subscribe.
Obviously, you have nothing else to do. Veli Aurat.
He's very mean to me. Sajal, you're very mean to me. What I judge you too. Basically because you roam around like a mundu.
ये अगर आ गया ना इसके अंदर तेरी माँ लग चोदूंगा मैं समझ आएगी
तुझे पता है ना for finding out you'll have to watch my video.
देखता हूँ मैं
हाँ झूठ बोलते हैं यार